Welcome to Toyota Time with Timmy the Toolman and Sean. Today, I want to share with you a cool new tool I got from the company SolveFunction to help me with my oil changes on all of my Toyota 4Runners. It's this very functional venting funnel that allows you to pour the oil in about as fast as you want. Normally with funnels you use to fill your engine, you have to be really patient and pour it slowly, let it drain down, and then keep on pouring. And it takes quite a while. With this venting funnel, you can just basically dump it in there and it's going to take it as fast as you give it. So I'll come in closer and show you the design that makes this funnel so functional. Looking in from the top of the funnel, you can see the vent hole right here. And then that vent hole extends all the way down to the narrowest most part of the funnel and has an exit right there. So with this design, it's going to allow you to pour the oil in as fast as you probably want to. I assume you probably could overwhelm it if you just had a bucket of oil and just slopped it in there, but pouring it in from any normal oil container you buy at an auto parts store, you order online, this funnel is going to be able to take it as quick as you can give it. So I'm going to screw this in and I'll show you how well it works. As you can see, my oil cap is down low and this funnel isn't very tall. So what I have to do is get a few obstructions out of the way. One of them is this vacuum hose here. I'll disconnect that. I'll disconnect this hose that leads to the evap canister. I'm going to disconnect my throttle cable and a couple spots here, and I'm going to push it back right behind my diagnostic port. I'm going to pull this one over, and then I'm just going to push this one down. And then now all the obstructions are out of the way. I'll take the oil cap off, and because this thing is threaded and it's malleable, even if there are obstructions like this intake plenum, I can still screw it in. So no longer is the funnel able to wobble around on you because it's actually screwed into the valve cover. Now I'm going to grab my oil and show you how fast I can introduce the oil into the engine. I've got a 5-quart container of oil from Castrol, and here we go. This is freaking awesome. I don't have to stop at all. It just keeps on taking the oil. I never had to delay once. This funnel is an awesome design and very simple. Sometimes the most simple inventions are some of the best inventions. I love this thing. So that's 5 quarts. I'm going to add one more quart that I measured off in a 1-gallon food grade container. And you can see I could pour this as fast as I want and it's going right into the engine. All right, this is all I have for you. This funnel from SolveFunction is a huge improvement over the standard funnel that you can get at an auto parts store or order online. This is the one that I usually would use when doing the oil changes on my 3 Toyota 4Runners, but I know without a doubt this is going to be my go-to funnel from now on because it just saves me a lot of time and a lot of effort leaning over the engine and slowly having to pour the oil into a old school funnel. This venting funnel is the future of oil funnels. I will put a link in the video description so you can get yours too. With all that said, we thank you for watching Toyota Time with Timmy the Toolman and Sean. We will of course be back with more videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Click on that subscribe button and also click on that notification bell if you'd like to be notified when we put up new content on our channel which we are always putting up very helpful and sick mods kind of content like this video here. Peace out, happy wrenching, happy oil changing, bye-bye.